What is up, everyone? If you have ever been stuck on a trail with a flat tire, you know how essential a reliable toolkit is. Welcome to Budget Buying. Today we are exploring the best bicycle repair toolkits. Finding the right gear can save your ride and keep you moving. Let's get started. Meet the NPY Bicycle Repair Toolkit. This compact lifesaver is designed to offer riders a highly versatile and efficient solution for all types of bike maintenance, whether you are hanging out in your garage or you are miles out on a scenic trail. Bikes have a lot of moving parts, and keeping them in top shape requires the right equipment. The NPY Toolkit brings together thoughtful engineering and practical features to provide a reliable companion for every biking enthusiast. At the heart of the NPY kit is an impressive bidirectional ratchet head featuring a brilliant one-click switching mechanism. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time. It means you can easily change the turning direction based on the specific task you are doing. You do not have to pull the tool off the bolt and flip it around over and over again. This makes your repairs significantly faster and much more precise. It just takes a simple click to swap directions instantly. The handle itself is beautifully crafted from a high-quality aluminum alloy and includes a smart magnetic automatic clamping system. This clever design ensures that your tools stay securely attached while you work. There is nothing worse than losing a bit in the grass while trying to tighten a screw. At the same time, this magnetic setup allows for incredibly quick disassembly and convenient tool replacement when you need to swap out a bit for a different task. Speaking of the handle, NPY has made sure it is completely ergonomic with a fantastic anti-slip surface. When you are fixing a chain or adjusting brakes, your hands can easily get covered in grease or sweat. This textured aluminum handle provides excellent comfort during extended repair sessions and greatly reduces hand fatigue. You can maintain a solid grip and keep working smoothly no matter the conditions, ensuring maximum power goes exactly where you need it. One of the standout aspects of this NPY kit is its multifunctional approach that supports the free combination of all its individual components. Because you can piece things together in various ways, you are fully equipped to handle a wide range of mechanical scenarios with total ease. This is made possible by the innovative magnetic quick-release design. It gives you the freedom to flexibly combine and reconfigure the tool attachments to adapt to specific repair needs. When it comes to what is actually inside the package, the NPY kit really delivers a comprehensive setup. You get the main aluminum alloy ratchet wrench, a handy magnetic quick connect rod that extends your reach, and even a compact air pump. Having an air pump included is incredibly convenient because getting your tire pressure back up is always the final step. You also get high-strength tire pry bars, making the frustrating task of removing tight rubber from the rim a breeze. What is particularly great about the high-strength tire pry bar is that it comes with a built-in fixed card slot. This slot securely holds the tool in place inside the kit when it is not in active use. It is a brilliant way to prevent you from losing it at the bottom of your bag. For all the different bolts on your bicycle, you have 10 different replaceable batch heads at your disposal. These can be spliced together and applied according to your exact daily requirements. Despite packing all of this incredible functionality and raw fixing power, the NPY Bicycle Repair Toolkit remains completely compact and highly portable. It is perfectly sized to fit seamlessly into a small bike bag, a traditional toolbox, or a light backpack. You will barely even notice the extra weight when you are riding, making it absolutely ideal for both heavy-duty home use and quick on-the-go emergency repairs when you are far away from a proper repair shop. Ultimately, this combination of heavy-duty durability, unmatched versatility, and a user-friendly design ensures you have everything required to maintain your bike efficiently. It is built to last through countless seasons and ready to tackle simple minor adjustments alongside extensive fixes. You do not want to be caught out on your next big adventure without a highly reliable toolkit by your side. Check the price link in the description to find the best deal available right now. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome gear recommendations. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Stay safe on those long trails, and I will see you in the next one.